Hi all, welcome to SSV Techno. So in today's class, we are going to discuss formatting tags. What are the formatting tags are available in HTML and how to format our text and all we will discuss in our session. So we are having various formatting tags which is used to format our web page content like bold, italic, underline. All these things are there, and if you want to show the text little bigger, smaller, and all these things are there. All these formatting tags, let's discuss with one example. Open Visual Studio, create a new file. HTML head tag, demo. Let me take one paragraph. In that paragraph, I'm going to discuss all these things. Okay, so this is my paragraph. In this paragraph, if I want to make this ASP.NET Core little bold, okay, let's first see how it is going to display. Save this. See, we are getting like this. So in this, I want to display this ASP.NET Core little bold. So B tag is going to be used. If I want to make little bold, then we can use this B tag here. The similar tag to this B tag is nothing but strong. Strong is also equivalent to this B tag, but some versions it supports, some it won't support. But strong and B both are used to make the text little bold. Okay, let's save it. See, if you observe, these two text you are getting little highlighted, little bold, right? And next, italic. If you want to make any text as italic format, italic. See, this text is going to display in italic format. And if you want to make an underline, this is an open source. This I want to make it underline. And this. So if you observe the output, refresh, this text is coming in underline. This text is showing in italic format. Ma'am, for both underline and bold, both I want to apply for this. Is it possible? Yes. Where is this .NET framework? Yes. This I want to apply bold and underline both. Bold and underline. Both I want to give. See, you are getting bold and underline, right? So if you want a combination of two tags also you can use, and strike if you want to strike out this. So developed by not Microsoft, some other. So for example, strike. Actually, whatever we are getting in red color, those are not available now. In place of strike, we are having some other that is called delete. But still, we can use that. It's not an issue. See, strike is showing in red color. That means maybe that version is whatever in which version they designed this, that maybe I'm not using. Okay, so this strike, in place of strike, what is the new thing came here is delete, delete, delete. So if I refresh this, see both are showing like same, but this is outdated, this present we are this is replaced with that strike. Okay, so this strike is going to be displays, and small and big, which is used to display the text little bigger and smaller. So this ASP.NET Core I want to show little bigger, and this I want to show little smaller. Little smaller. So in big and small it will show. And also, okay, let me see the output. See, refresh. See, .NET Core is showing little bigger. Support is showing little smaller when I compare to normal text. Okay. If you want to make separately like that, this small and big both are going to be used. And what is subscript and superscript? Suppose, especially when you are writing some mathematical or chemistry formulas and all. For example, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I want to create this formula here. And br c plus o2 equal to CO2. This 2 I want to show little down. Okay, so this 2 if I had given this sub inside, this 2 also I'm giving this sub inside 2, and this is superscript sup super 2, and this also sup 2, and this also sup 2. That's it. Let's see how these formulas are coming. Refresh. See, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. C plus o2 equal to CO2. So superscript is move the text little upper than regular one. Subscript is used to move little down than regular text. Okay, so those are superscripts and subscripts. And also insert, if you want to insert some text or if you want to delete. Already delete I told you. If I want to insert some text, so yeah, this I'm going to use ins. Okay, so what is this insert text is going to do means this is going to insert, that means it is going to highlight this. It's equivalent to again your underline text only. And delete text is equivalent to your delete, that is equivalent to your strike through. Only in some versions it supports, some it won't support, because of that separate one they had given. Okay, and emphasis text, if I want to emphasize some text, then em is going to be used. And if I want to mark some text, then mark text will comes into picture. Let's try to do that. Hello all, em, good day, how are you? It is going to emphasize the text. That's why in between I had given. And mark text, same thing. I'm going to use mark. Better I will give a line break. So that in separate lines we can see. See, it is equivalent to, emphasis means it's equivalent to your italic format. and hello all, good day, mark. I mean, this is going to be displayed in a special background marking format. It will shows, and that color by default it will shows it as yellow color. Okay, important again. This is nothing but bold. Okay, strong is nothing but bold, and emphasis is nothing but italic. Emphasis is nothing but italic. INS is nothing but underline, and also delete is nothing but strike through. Generally we are going to use this, but in some areas it's not, with this version is not going to support, but obviously output we will get, but this is not going to support. It will shows a warning kind of thing. And abbreviation, if I want to get an abbreviation, okay, let's see how to handle abbreviations also. So if I want to create an abbreviation, hello Jack, Jagadish, that's it. Save it. See, if I put my cursor there, it is showing that the tooltip. See, so for any text, if I want to show a tooltip kind of thing, then ABBR tag is going to be used. Okay, so these are the common tags which are used to formatting, but some other advanced tags are also there that we will discuss in our next session. Okay. Thank you.